Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I wanted to create a tutorial for those of you that are in school, or just for those of you that are curious about how to create something natural, very easy. As you all know, not a professional here, but I'm doing this tutorial because when I was in school, I rarely had that many YouTubers, specifically women of color, to look up to. I'm creating this in hopes that you can have fun with makeup if you want. You don't have to wear makeup to school. I'm just creating this for those who want to figure out how to create something very easy. I'm gonna prime my lids with the MAC Paint Pot primer. You can use whatever primer you have. I'm using the Stone Cold Fox palette, but you can use whatever palette you have on hand. I am going in the shade Drama Mama with a fluffy brush, and I'm just packing that in the outer end of my eye. And I'm slowly blending that upwards and out. Then I am taking a skinnier, fluffier brush, and I am going ahead with this shade right here. This is Gravity Hill. Gently dusting that at the very outer edge of my eye, and I'm sweeping it back and forth. Using that same brush, I'm going to go ahead with the shade Drama Mama and just deepen it up again. I'm going in with the e.l.f. fluffy brush, and I'm using the shade For Granite all over the top. So I completed my other eye off of camera, and now we're going to work on the face. So this is the CoverGirl TruBlend Business Base Primer. You don't have to use a primer. I'm just using it because I get incredibly oily and I do need my makeup to stay all day, especially if I'm going out. I'm not going out today, but I'm just filming this video for you guys. I'm going ahead with the CoverGirl TruBlend Matte Made Foundation, and we're just going to use one pump. We don't need that much for school. I mean, if you do want to kick it on, go right ahead. When I was in school, I never had time to do makeup. Hell, I didn't even know how to apply makeup. Most of my friends were white and didn't know a whole lot about makeup either. We're gonna go ahead and conceal with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm just using a very, very tiny bit. Now I'm going to look down and blend outwards. I'm also going to clean up that eyeshadow like this, very gently. For powder underneath the eyes, I use the Cover FX Matte Setting Powder. I'm using that same powder with a very, very fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna dust that all over my face. So this part is optional, but I'm going to go ahead with the NYX Matte Bronzer. This is in the shade Deep. I'm using a blush brush, and I'm just going to tap into the product, brush it in one direction upwards. This is powder, by the way. So I am trying to grow my brows out, which is why they look so crazy. We're just gonna go ahead with the brow gel. Use whatever you have and start at the end. As soon as you pull it out, flick the hairs in the motion that you prefer, but concentrate most of the product at the ends. This will help the brows to stay in place. For lips today, we're gonna use a gloss. This is the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Champagne Mummy. I really don't like this application wand at all, but I do enjoy the color and the shine. We're just gonna do our lashes today with the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. I'm using an eyelash curler, but you can skip this step. I applied one coat of mascara on this side. I'm gonna wait for this to dry, and in the meantime, I'm gonna curl this lash. So usually when I do film, I feel like I wear so much makeup, but this was kind of refreshing. This is very natural, very light on the skin. I feel like I have no makeup on. But this is it, you guys. This is the final look. I literally just like threw my hair out of the clip that I was in, didn't brush it or anything. I feel like I could have cleaned up the edges a little bit better, but we were going for something very quick, very easy, very simple. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your routine is. With that, I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye!